Salut les amis, je suis Franck Martin. Bienvenue à ma nouvelle vidéo. Merci bien. Thank you. Hi guys, I am Frank Martin. Welcome to my new video. Alors les amis, dans notre vidéo d'aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre à dire les jours de la semaine en français. Friends, in our today video, we will be learning how to say the day of the week in French. And thank you for watching. Ok, les jours de la semaine, les jours de la semaine, the weekdays. Good. Question 1. Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? What is the day of today? Good. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Today is Monday. Thanks. Alors, then, let's go for the days of the week. Les amis, allons-y pour les jours de la semaine. The first one is Monday, is lundi. As just also try to put guys the sound. Maybe following us, I will be also making a video regarding to the sound also. It is as they are like the phonetic in French. We'll be doing a video regarding the phonetic also. Thank you so much. Let's begin then. Lundi, lundi, Monday. Mardi, mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, 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 Wednesday, jeudi, jeudi, Thursday, vendredi, vendredi, Friday, samedi, samedi, Saturday, dimanche, dimanche, Sunday. Good. Let's tell you funny things about the days of the week also. As a native speaker, when I say lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche, it's very funny because lundi is someone says, mardi, it is like a mardi to me, or to me says, mercredi, my credit. Jeudi, and I said vendredi. Oh, I remember. Vendredi means that it comes from my stomach, and I remember means if someone said it comes from my stomach in French, it means I remember also. You can understand. Samedi means oh, it talked to me. It comes from my stomach and it talked to me. Samedi. And dimanche. Dimanche means that manche is or the manche, you know, the manche as the arm, like a part of the arm which begging as this kind of. It's very funny. Thank you so much guys, thank you. Okay guys, how to say routine in French? To say the routine in French, we say okay as the routine like a morning, from morning to night, or from morning to evening. Okay, matin. Matin is morning. Matin, morning. Matin, morning. It's not Martin. It is matin. Okay. So, midi. Midi means noon. Midi, noon. Soir. Soir means afternoon or evening. I always have a problem with the good afternoon, good evening in English because I don't use to that just good evening, good afternoon. We always say good evening, good evening. Most of the time we say bonsoir, 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 bonsoir. Okay, it is why sometimes I say good evening or good afternoon, and it's confusing a lot. Thank you. And les repas de la journée, les repas de la journée, the daily food. The morning is a petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner is breakfast. Le petit déjeuner, the breakfast. Midi, at noon we have le déjeuner. Le déjeuner is the lunch. And le soir, at the evening or evening, we have le dîner. Le dîner. Le dîner is dinner or the dinner. Good. Guys, let's move to the expressions related to the days of the week. Les gars, les expressions relatives aux jours de la semaine. We have first one, here, here, yesterday. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, today. Demain, demain, tomorrow. Avant, avant, before. Maintenant, maintenant, maintenant. Now, maintenant, now. Après, after. Passé, past. Actuel, current, actuel, current. Prochain, next, prochain, next. Good. Les amis, voyons quelques questions. Let's see some questions. Aujourd'hui, c'est quel jour? Aujourd'hui, c'est quel jour? Today is which day? Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi. Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi. Hier, c'était quel jour? Hier, c'était quel jour? Yesterday was which day? Hier, c'était jeudi. Hier, c'était jeudi. Yesterday was Thursday. And then, demain, c'est quel jour? Demain, c'est quel jour? Tomorrow is which day? Demain, c'est samedi. Demain, c'est samedi. Tomorrow is Saturday. Autre mot lié. Other words linked to the day of the week. Lié means link. Okay, but I don't know. Okay, thank you. Let's continue. À lundi. À lundi. On Monday. À lundi means on Monday or see you on Monday. But exactly it is on se voit à lundi. On se voit à lundi means we will see each other on Monday. Good. Let will come in the next and other video explaining deeply the weekdays and relatives words to the weekdays. Okay. On se voit dimanche means we see on Sunday. We will see on Monday or we see on Monday. We will see each other. So here is a reflexive pronoun. Don't worry, guys. Okay, it is on se voit dimanche means we will meet on Sunday. Good. Next, la semaine. La semaine. The week. Le jour. Le jour. The day. La nuit. La nuit. The night. La journée. La journée. The day. La journée and le jour are different. Why? Because la journée means the daily time of the day. You understand? In the day we have 24 hours, right? Day, night time, and the daily time. Okay. The night time is la nuit, and the daily time is la journée. And le jour means the entire day, the 24 hours. Okay. La matinée is the morning time. Les matins. Les matins means every morning or mornings. I used to brush my teeth every morning or mornings. Les soirs. Les soirs, every afternoon or afternoons. Les nuits, every night or nights. À midi, at noon. At noon. À midi. Good. Next, guy. À minuit. After à midi, we have à minuit. À minuit is at midnight. At midnight. Tous les matins. Tous les matins. Every morning. Tous les lundis. Every Monday. Tous les mardis. Every Tuesday. Tous les jeudis. Every Thursday, tous les vendredis, every Friday. Okay, we can say tous les and adding any daily nouns, Chaque matin, chaque matin, every morning. Le réveil, le réveil. They wake up, they wake up. Le réveil. Oh, two words. The alarm also is called uh, the alarm is le réveil, the alarm. Okay, la pendule is the clock. The clock you put, you hang on the wall is la pendule. Okay, le coucher means the bedtime. Le coucher. We can say the sun bedtime is le coucher du soleil. Good. Sorry, we forget it. Le sommeil. Le sommeil is the sleep. The sleep is le sommeil. Well done, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please, guys, if you like, please subscribe and share to your friend. And see you for another video. Don't worry, guys. We'll be doing another video deeply to give you the use of this expression we have used here without any sentences. Sorry for that. And thank you. We hope you enjoy.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.